We are going to go and see if any BSU students will show us and give us a tour of their room. Let's go. Oh God. She has AirPods in, or headphones. I say YOLO anyway. Do you live on campus?
I do.
Do you have a cool room?
Maybe.
What's your name? What year are you? What's your major?
My name is Ainsleigh. I'm a photography major and I'm a sophomore.
So we are walking up to Crimson now. Do you like living in Crimson?
Yeah, it's got good AC and heat.
What floor are we at? Are we taking the stairs? Yeah. All right, so we're walking in. So I'm with Ainsleigh now. We're in the hub, right? We're in
the hub.
We're in the hub. We're in the place of the living. First of all, I love that we have all of the Valentine's Day stuff. I love that we have Gibby looking over at us. And I also would love for you to explain the arm on the floor.
I don't know whose that is.
Whose arm?
Yeah, that was here when I moved in. It was just on the windowsill.
Okay. I love it, especially in contrast to the Valentine's Day.
Yeah, it fit much better with the Halloween decor.
Do you have a personal connection to Soulja Boy?
I don't.
Do we want to check out your room? Okay, let's go. Again, I'm seeing the green theme. I love the green theme. And the green phone case.
Yep, that's one of my favorite bands.
And I love the frogs, the toads. Do you have a favorite necklace?
Probably this one, the cicada.
I love that. I can admit I am not a cicada lover. And I see you have the pictures up there.
Yeah, those are just girls.
I love it. And the possum.
Yep, that came, I don't actually know where this came from, but.
You like it just it found you.
Yeah. Don't look at the old Wendy's lemonade. That's my roommate.
Cute. That's a cute photo of you guys. Can we try to turn on the LED lights?
Yeah, if we can find the remote.
And I think we should make it green. What would you describe your aesthetic is?
When I'm actually trying, probably dark cottagecore.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
No, I like that.
I've been fiending on Animal Crossing.
My sister's obsessed with Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite part about living on campus?
Getting to see my friends every day is a big plus. I met them all here. It's like living in an apartment complex with them. We got us down here, they're upstairs. So we can just head on up to see them if we want. And that's the tour.
Thank you so much.